Lesson 3. Verb Forms and Moods. Our final lesson focuses on Arabic verbs and their moods. The simple triliteral past tense is known as Form 1. For the root letters kaf-ta-ba, the Form 1 perfect is kataba, meaning he wrote. From this base, Arabic creates derived forms. Form 2 doubles the middle radical, like kataba, which often intensifies the meaning or indicates causation, such as teaching someone to write. Form 4 adds a prefixed hamza, so alama means he informed, a causative version of knowing. There are also quadriliteral verbs with 4 root consonants, such as tarjama, meaning he translated. Beyond the past tense, you need to know the moods of the imperfect verb. Particles like un, meaning that, put the imperfect verb into the subjunctive mood, ending with a final fata. Conversely, the particle lam negates a past action and puts the imperfect verb into the jussive mood, called majzum. For a sound verb, this means a final sukun, resulting in lam yadhab for he did not go. The jussive stem is also used to form imperatives. The masculine singular imperative of kataba is uktub, using an initial helping vowel. Finally, the IAM syllabus requires knowledge of the internal passive. To say it was written using the perfect passive of Form 1, you use a dhamma on the first radical and a kasra on the second, forming kutiba. Mastering these verb forms, root patterns, and mood changes will prepare you well for the multiple choice questions on the MATSEC IAM Arabic exam.